Good morning.
Bigyan, bigyan.
Ayan. To honor our friend. May he experience your love and comfort him even as he undergoes his work. Showering him your blessings so that he will serve as an inspiration to all that you live here in DUP and to his family and the community that he will be serving.
Kita lahat.
Birthday, Sir Johnny.
Kumuha ka ba, Noy? Wala akong ano.
Ako din mo tinitikman eh.
Kita tayo lahat, ha?
At iya ka.
Ayan, yan, kita.
Tapos kayo.
Si Aiden,
Oh,
si-
ba?
Hi.
Kita, yan ah.
Si Beth,
Pineros
kita.
kaya yan.
Happy birthday, Sir